Divine Dewono, Libo Biafra from all over the world. I'm greeting this evening. So, Ana Mejo Herana Siunu, the Bani Happy Easter, Ebola. Special greetings to my people, wherever they find themselves in German, Europe, US, Africa, Asia, Australia, and other continents. Today I have a special message. As you can remember, I have a program on Sunday. So this is not part of the program. The program on Sunday is still coming. But this one is extra video about all the Biafran groups running hectare scatter all over the world. All our people, because the only message that British does understand is divide and rule. So my special message today is for all Biafran groups operating around the world. Let us come together and have a reconciliation treaty. I have done some research and find out that all these groups running up and down, All of them started from one place. Due to one thing or the other, made them to have this understanding, and they run out and open their own. That is not how any group that is fighting for independence should be doing. Ụmụaka Igbo, from Bilie Human Rights to Radio Biafra, both the one in London, South Africa, all over the world, Lower Niger Congress, and up to 200 of them. All of them are fighting to actualize Biafra. Please, my people, follow this my platform. Call in. We are on YouTube, not on Facebook. YouTube is more advanced in terms of communicating. Let us find a common room to reconcile. If we really need this Biafra to come, let us drop this manipulation that we are manipulating our followers from all over the world. Let us now come to reality. Because lying to our people, this group are telling people that I have a secret to actualize Biafra. I have two, and my deputy has one. The other group will tell their people, I have a special contact that promised me that United Nations will bring Biafra. The other group will tell their own group, United Nations said that we must actualize Biafra from referendum. All this lie manipulation must stop. Because I know that among all these guys now, most of them are Nigerian established Biafran group. They are not for Biafran people. They are there to bring division. But not because they are existing, we should drop whatever we are doing to be afraid or to allow them to succeed. No. It must surely be our duty to find a simple way, the easiest solution to actualize Biafra. And that solution is unity. That solution is working together as one. That solution is being one body. That solution is for us to have a reconciliation treaty, for us to start speaking with one voice. If we come together as one organization, my people, Nigeria will catch fever. Believe me, I have to tell you the truth. Nigeria will be afraid when they start seeing that those groups they have tried to divide and scatter are now coming back together. Yes, that thing should be our motto. That's why I said, let me change the position of that video so that my people will be able to read the headline of today. Biafran people, let us reconcile. Let us drop the differences we have. Let us be one body. Because any animal, if you check my motto, it says the animal that is running alone out of his group is the target of the predator. If you guys are together, Nigeria cannot do anything. But as we are separated, these ones believe in election and establishing somebody into government to achieve Biafra. The other group says, no, I don't believe in election. I believe in war. The other group say, no, I don't believe in war. I don't believe in election. I believe in referendum. All these things are ideas. And these ideas are very perfect. But when we come together, when we sit down together, read Nigeria together, then find the best solution, the best way to follow. Because there is a lot to do if we need our nation for the truth. If we want to be free of Nigeria, there are things we should be doing. There are things we know that need to be done. Most of our people normally say, let us get Biafra first of all before we start doing other things. That means you will kill yourself at the end of the day. The best thing is to start doing things now. Start uniting. Start becoming one body. Start racking brain together. Let us form something we call council. Let us have a Biafran council. This Biafra council will involve every part, every corner of that people called Biafra. Every border of Biafra must have representative on this council. And this council will not have a leader, nor a director, nor manager, nor president. This council can only have what we call spokesperson. If you can remember, olden days, our people does practice this council of a thing before the British came. Because when a woman moved to the king's men in the village and report to them that maybe the in-law or somebody else is coming after her property, when she lay in her complaint, those kinsmen will not stand immediately and judge everything and give her her answer. No. They will tell her, woman, we have heard you. You can go now. When we finish, we will get back to you. When we finish, when the whole group of councils come together and find the simple solution or the answer to the problem, they will now invite the woman to come. That is to show you that we must go back to this system of living, in the sense that every issue, every problem, everything popping up in Biafran race must be overseen by the council of Biafran people. And that council will never ever be under somebody's leadership. It must surely be a united front. Under this council, department will be created. Under this council, a lot of things will come out for good for Biafra. Let us leave all these 1001 groups of agitation from all corners. This one will be talking from the right to left. The other group will be talking from left to right. This one will tell you the other one did not take authority from me to open what he's doing. This one will say the other authority have been dissolved. Look, we are trying to monetize this our Biafran race. And if we continue this way, we will perish and Nigeria will succeed. Please, my people, let us come together from Radio Biafra, London, United States, other groups, 24, Belia, Council of Elders, BVI, Mobbing, all these groups, Lower Niger Congress. All of you are learned, well equipped with knowledge. Bring your knowledge under one basket. In short, let me give you an example. If you guys accept this my idea today, and call for reconciliation treaty, maybe in German, I will host you guys. You will see that Nigeria will move military to east. What you are seeing in Nigeria now in eastern region is not military. Those guys are military police. You will now see what they call battle group. Nigeria will send in battle group to eastern region. Because for you people to unite yourself that they are working to divide you will make them to catch fear. So, please, I'm begging all of you, think about this reconciliation. I call it BPRT, Biafran People Reconciliation Treaty. Because the more you run alone, the more you do your affairs alone, is the easier target you becomes, either to the British intelligence agencies or to the Nigerian government. I call Nigerian people now money bags people because it's now their bags of money that speaks for them. My people, please let us be one. Let us unite. Let us stop dividing. Let us be one brother. Let us be under one umbrella. Our brother's keeper. Let us love ourselves again. Let us learn how to forgive. Let us learn how to bring our hands down and be loyal. Let us learn how to serve, how to be a leader. Let us know how to lead our people to success. Drop your certificate inside dustbin. Drop your qualification inside whatever. Be in the same category with your brother. Mellow yourself down and learn what your brother is saying. Bring yourself down and reason with your brother. Stop flowing around with your certificate and all sorts of graduation or Oxford University and whatever. Please, please, I beg you in the name of the Most High that we worship, let us love each other. Why is it that all of us are fighting for one Biafra? But none of these groups want to work as one. Is there personal interest now on this race? That is a question you have to ask yourself. Are some people now receiving salaries? Are they starting making money? Are they using their people now to generate funds from Nigerian government that made them they don't want to drop their group and come together as one? If you'll be able to solve this mathematics, then we will know who is corrupt and who is not corrupt. So that's all I have for you, my people. It's just a short video. Join yourself together. Call my line. Ask me how can we start it. I am not group. I am not leading anybody. I am only projecting for us to come together. Even for those who are pushing for elections, you will not be successful if we are not together. For those pushing for referendum, you can never achieve referendum unless we are together. And for those who are pushing for one thing or the other, will not be successful unless we join our hands together. Together, we are strong. Divided, we will fall. My people, that is all I have for you guys. On Sunday, I will have a very large open debate, question and answer. I would like you to be part of it. I would like you to join me. I would like you to be in the making of this Biafran establishment. God bless you and bless all the Biafrans wherever they are. Bless every Igbo man. I said, my people, remain blessed. Let us continue with Egu, Dr. Sawario. Udodron. Dekwara mo, dekwara ndile som umonam. Hallo, Andreas. Sind Sie eine Deutsche oder aus welchem Land kommen Sie denn? Weil Andreas Hagen heißt, Sie sind eine Deutsche. Biafra ist ein Land in Nigeria früher, bevor Großbritannien und Nigeria und Ägypten und andere Länder, auch Russland und USA hat gegen Biafra gekämpft. Und Biafra hatte den Krieg verloren. Und jetzt kommen wir langsam wieder hoch und möchten unser Land wieder zurückhaben, da die Nigeria soll zurücktreten, weil der besetzt unser Land und klaut das ganze Öl und die ganze Ressource, das aus Nigeria, aus Biafra kommt. Unsere Leute wissen, dass die nigerianische Regierungen sind korrupt, weil die kümmern nicht an die Bevölkerung. Darum mache ich diese Dinge und versuche unsere Leute von der ganzen Welt, die ganze Gruppe zusammenzubringen, so dass wir so zusammenarbeiten, nicht gegenseitig zu arbeiten. Darum bitte, es gibt keine etwas bisexual oder whatever. Hier gibt keine Sexualität hier. Wie sie das sieht, wie sie das guckt, ich glaube, sie kann gut lesen, aber sie möchte das einfach da drin schreiben. Das ist, ich sehe das als ein bisschen Unhöflichkeit. Weil das ist nicht in Ordnung. Haben Sie noch eine Frage? My people, should we work as one? Should we come together as one brother? Should we come under one umbrella as a nation? Because any nation that divides whatever they are doing, never succeed. That is why we that call ourselves the Biafrans should tell our people, should tell our leaders, there are needs for us to be one. we should create a room where we'll be talking to each other. Because when we start speaking to each other, when we start talking to each other, then we'll be able to keep our differences aside. Many may agree, many may disagree. But it's only the Igbos that will disagree and disagree for forever. They will never open a window nor door for reconciliation nor discussion. Most of us are living in an advanced world. And we know quite sure that those people we are living in their place does have misunderstanding more than we Africans. But always they keep the door open for negotiation, door open for people to talk to each other. And I want to add something for those that they are manipulated, telling you that Biafra restoration will come through United Nations mandate. It's a lie. The only person that can trigger, if this group that are pushing for a referendum, only them will go for referendum. Do we have Biafra? You are not following other groups. You took your group that you are following today. Get a room for referendum. Nigeria tell you, okay, come and do referendum. But it's only group Biafra C that will do that referendum. Are you going to give us Biafra? Because group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D is not with you. And you go and do the referendum for us, and Nigeria said, now you have done referendum, we count it before you, you are a loser. And the other side will tell you, let us go and vote. When we vote, we will get what we want. On the voting box, you will see that those that buy your idea, that follow your group, they are not enough to push people in. And Hausa will still plant who they want to plant in. Have you achieved anything? No. What are you? You are a loser. And the other group that says, I have 3 plans to get Biafra, and my director gets 2. Me will be deputy, hold 1. And you go it alone, that same way you want, without the majority, you will lose, and all of us have failed. But when we come together, sign treaties, maybe all of you want to be president. Let me put it that way. All of you want to be, because all of you want to, all the leaders of this group want to be the leader of Biafra when the country is created. Okay, let's go into treaty. If we achieve it, which position will my group get, and which position will my group get? Before you know it, we will now have a compromise. These groups will now turn to political parties that will be existing in that nation. And this thing where all these groups were calling, I haven't heard of Ijo, Ibibio, Calabar, all these people, I haven't even had their own groups. All the groups that are fighting each other, all of them are Igbos. From the same side. The same Igboism. The same Igbo domination. The same Igbo dominant. The same Igbo pushing other tribes to one side. Where are other Biafrans? Where are they? What is the name of their groups? Do they have any interest? Do they have any policies that will take part in whatever we are doing? I don't know what to answer. We have not yet started. We are beating around the bush. That is why Nigeria will not even listen to you people. Britain won't even listen to you people. When you come together as one body, the solution to our problem must surely emerge from inside us. United agreement. But if we continue this way we are going now, all of us are the most educative, foolish animals. You guys are well educated with your graduate and everything. But you fail to understand that together you will move mountain. Alone, you will die in prison. Thank you, my people. That's all I have. Bye bye for now.